Leadership can be a lonely business. They say that you are the sum of the people you spend the most time with. Well, I think it's time to upgrade your value. It's very similar to having a friend or colleague or someone that shares with you about a movie that's come out, about a restaurant they've tried, or a vacation that they recently experienced. Now, through the sharing of ideas and communication, you now go and try these things. And now you have greater experiences. You dress differently, you eat differently, all because you were willing to share, listen, and try. That's what it's like being around like minded people. The Bible says you have not because you ask not. And I believe you ask not because you have not stepped outside your comfort zone. We'll be sharing some principles and values to govern your decisions and for you to live by, not just have on the wall, not just to have written down, but actually making a difference on how you live. I call it the growth and leadership operating system. So success should be 360 degrees. You should have success with your vocation, your business, your workplace. You should also have success with your family, with your health, with your own personal time and recreation, as well as community engagement. I know you're probably already asking or thinking, like, Dr. Godwin, I'm already struggling in some or all of those areas. It's already hard to keep up with that. How am I supposed to do that and stay focused? Good question. Glad you asked. I asked the same question. And I have found a way to have a better balance, still be effective and impactful in all of those areas. Now, it looks different for everyone, but you can still be effective and impactful in those areas. So, if you want to avoid stagnation, if you want to avoid burnout, whether it's in your work or business or just in life, period, this is for you. You'll walk away with energy and clarity to help you manifest your goals for the new year, for 2024. You'll also be able to make better decisions, effectively communicate, solve problems, lead your household, lead your organization, lead your community in a way that you can feel at peace knowing you're doing your best. You're not burning yourself out trying to do too much or do everything, but you have a clear system to follow in your head that energizes you to make the most impact. So we know that every executive I know has KPIs and they have a very strategic process on achieving their goals. They don't leave it to chance. So why leave your personal growth and development to chance? Because when you change, everything connected to you changes. So invest into your growth and leadership strategy. Get yourself prepared and ready to have the best year ever by investing in yourself. You need to be renewed. You need to be rejuvenated so that you can work out this purpose during these times and not lose focus with the distractions of the economy or politics or whatever else is going on. Join me January 25th through 29th in Puerto Rico. It's going to be an amazing time. Your food, your lodging, your excursions are all included. We even have payment plans for those that need payment plans, for any executives or leaders that need payment plans. And guess what? If you're a C-suite executive, you're a business owner, this is totally tax deductible. So you're going to invest in yourself. It'll be tax deductible. You're going to have an amazing experience and balance of work and play to get yourself truly ready to knock it out the park for 2024. I can't wait to see you there. God bless. Helping you maximize your income, influence, and impact. That's what we're here for. Peace.